Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another makeup tutorial. It's a traditional makeup tutorial. As you guys can see, I'm wearing sari. I have all the traditional things on my face like the bindi, jhumkas and all of that. And today I have created this look specifically for morning time of Astami because I feel in Astami we get really busy because we need a little bit of base with our traditional attire and we have to rush to the mandop to give Pushpanjali. I created this look just keeping in mind that you have to get a makeup which is really light on base, which is easily removable, and it will not look like a very vibrant on your face as well because it's morning time and you want to get a traditional look. So if you're interested to know how I have created this look step by step, then please keep on watching.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Always looking for more. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more?
this is my final finished look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. If you're recreating this, do tag me on my Instagram handle. The link is provided on my description box, and all the products that I have used on this makeup, all the products are mentioned in the description box as well. And check any product that you want to purchase or you might not want to purchase, you want to just check out, you can check that one out too. And happy Durga Puja. Enjoy this festival with your loved ones. I did not get double vaccine as of now, so I cannot probably give Anjali for this year. And with that, we have come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye.